Let's begin. Solution 1. Open Google Chrome. Click the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Settings. In the left menu, scroll down and select About Chrome. Check if Chrome is up to date. If an update is available, install it and restart the browser. Solution 2. Return to the top of the Settings menu. Select Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Change time range to all time. Check every box except Passwords Autofill Form Data. Click Clear Data. Solution 3. Return to the main Settings menu. On the left, select Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults. Select Reset Settings to confirm. Solution 4. Open a new Chrome window. Click the 3 dots. Select Extensions, then Manage Extensions. Look through your installed extensions. Click Remove next to any extension you don't use or don't recognize. Solution 5. Change your DNS settings. Go to the Start menu and search for Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Change View By in the top right corner to large icons. Select Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Adapter Settings. Right-click your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and select Properties. Change from Obtain DNS Server Address automatically to use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then close the window. Restart your PC so the changes take effect. After restarting, the 500 internal server error should be fixed.